Hi, I'm Salma from Kalimna. In this video, I'll show you how to create knowledge bases for your AI assistant on our platform. So this is the knowledge base tab on our platform. As of now, it is empty, but we can change that by clicking New Knowledge Base here. The first step is to give your knowledge base a name and description, which is important to keep organized when having multiple knowledge bases. Afterwards, just click Create and you will see the new knowledge base right here. In this overview of your knowledge base, you can see how many assistants are assigned to the knowledge base, whether it is active or if there was an error, and when you last updated it. To add information to the knowledge base, just click the name and you will see the knowledge base itself. Again, you can see basic information about it, like how many agents are assigned to it, and if it works or not. Here, you can search for keywords or information across all your documents that are added to your knowledge base. This is really important if you want to check if the knowledge base, for example, lacks certain information, or if you want to erase outdated information from it. To add documents to your knowledge base, just click Add New Document here, and this will open up. Here, you can choose the documents to import. Besides normal document types like PDF or DOCX, you can also add entire websites to the knowledge base. Just name and describe the document and paste the main URL of your company website. To also add every subpage of your website to the document, just click Scrape Links Automatically here. This will take some time to load depending on how many subpages your site has, but as you can see here, it automatically scraped every subpage of your website. Once you're finished adding the document, just click Create right here. As you can see, you added the document and the status of your knowledge base changed to processing. This will take a little time, but once it's finished, it will change to active. You can also add menus, price lists, or other information, which helps your assistant to respond to the customer's need or questions. So this is how you create knowledge bases in Kalimna. Thank you for using Kalimna, and I wish you a great rest of your day.